Hi, welcome to part 2 of the Bedford restoration. In this one, we're going to show you a little bit more of what we've progressed through this week. Enjoy. First step on this is fitting the back end on it, and getting all the wood lined up so that we can square it all up there. So we're going to show you us trying to fit that, and hopefully it will fit. Hi.
I think I might have messed up here.
That doesn't look like it fits, I'll be honest.
Oh, look.
Oh, that was just not surprised at all.
Hey, what do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean?
I will tell you there's one design flaw there.
What's that? Oh no, it's meant to be there, that.
Split screen.
It's designed. Oh, look.
Okay.
Tap it 2 times, so that's not going to fit.
That one's not going to fit. Should it fit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go on. Alex, do you mind your fingers?
Oh, you bugger.
Well, I thought there was trouble there for a minute.
Well, how much you out by?
Oh, 5 mil.
That much?
Right. We can leave that one in. Take that one out. Go back to the drawing board. Cry a little bit. We'll start again. Up there in your 20-degree office while I'm working down in -4.
I'm here. I'm here all the time as far as the camera's concerned.
Right.
We've got to take it all apart then?
No.
Are you sure?
Yep. And there's a good reason for that. Can't be asked.
I don't know why you passed me this considering you've still got the pencil.
Oh, of course, you wouldn't have one by yourself, would you?
What did you want? 18?
Yeah.
Well, why would I need a pencil in my 20 degrees office? Oh no, I've said it on camera.
Is it 7?
I haven't a clue. Could be.
Okay. We'll say it is. We can always edit it afterwards.
It's another day in paradise.
Years later.
Okay, as you've seen, we've now built the half laps for the back end of the vehicle, and we're now going to get that all glued and screwed in place, and you will see that time lapse now. Hi, thank you for watching part 2 of the Bedford restoration. In this build, you'll see that we've started to put together the back end of the vehicle. The next step on the build is to now start stripping out the roof and water testing the other side of the vehicle so that we can make sure we don't miss any areas where it has leaks. In the next build, hopefully we'll be able to see a little bit more of the progression, and I will show that to you next Thursday. Oh.